up, YouTube? Smurf Killer here, installing another one of these EIGHTLESS Designs rear window roof scoop systems. I've done a handful of them now, including of course on my own personal car, which I have here.
You are watching a master at work.
So I've got this car here today, got everything laid out over here. I've already got the rear window removed out of this, the side vents off, because I think that's the easiest way for me to get it out. You know, I got all the tools that I use from a professional glass guy that we use at work. You know, I do, if you guys don't know, you know, if you're not from the Houston area or whatever, don't know who I am, you know, I build high-end custom cars for a living, so the time, I feel it doesn't really matter versus the quality. I would rather take the side vents and the rear view camera piece off the center there so I can use the tools more efficiently and not worry about chipping or scratching up the glass in case you want to reinstall it later. I'd rather spend the extra 5-10 minutes, get those pieces out of the way, cut the glass out, and you know, get it done so it's reusable and safe. Especially this car is a 70th, so I don't want to you know, chip up that glass that does have the 70th logo on it. But I mean, it's a pretty easy process for getting this stuff done. I just remove the side pieces, pop the camera out, and pull the seal off around the glass, go in and cut the actual glue that holds it, safely remove the glass, clean up any extra glue residue and stuff, and then just start prepping everything to put the new pieces in. Start with the actual scoops, get the studs into those, drill the holes. Once I have the scoop, you know, mocked in place, use that as my template for where the hole needs to be drilled next to the factory one. It ends up you have to drill a hole over here somewhere, and that's what mounts the top of the scoop down. And you can see it would be, it's like this one over here, I think, if I remember right. You know, without having this ready to go right now, this is the one I think you have to re-drill a hole for. And you know, you just drill that real quick and reuse the other ones towards the bottom, get the side scoop pieces on, and then start mounting the glass into those. Spend a bit of time tweaking and adjusting, getting everything centered up, get it the way you want it looking, and you know, that's it. Glue the top piece on right up there by the camera, glue that down. I use an accelerant on the glue so it dries a little faster than normal. You know, just another trick I learned from the trade, 20 plus years of doing this stuff. But I'll come back in a bit when I got everything kind of in place. Turn this off, crank the music back up, get in there, get this knocked out, and glue that last piece on, and it'll be a wrap for this one.